Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day. Today's video is a little different than my normal videos. This is my first clean and decorate with me and I hope you enjoy. I want to show you what it's like behind the scenes, how my home looks like on most days, and how I clean it. I have two little girls, one is an infant and one is a toddler, so you will see many toys everywhere throughout this clean with me. I enjoy cleaning and then I redecorate. I'm always moving things around in each space. Does anybody else do that too? Give this video a thumbs up if you do. Cleaning, organizing, and decluttering always lifts the weight off my shoulders and makes me feel very happy. I can tackle other important things and not have to look at a mess. Seeing a mess just sets me back on many things that I could be productive on because all I'm thinking of and seeing are things that need to get cleaned. Every night I clean what I can and the next day when I start my day, it's a fresh start. Whether you're outside or inside working, it's always important to stay hydrated. I used to drink from plastic bottles and spend money to buy water every week, but the great thing is that we all have access to water from the faucet of our homes. In the long run, drinking from plastic bottles every day is bad for our bodies, and there's nothing better than having your own filtration system and purified water. This video is sponsored by WaterDrop. WaterDrop has water purification products including refrigerator water filters, reverse osmosis water filtration systems, water filter pitchers, faucet water filters, and under the sink water purification systems. I have the reverse osmosis water filtration system under the sink. I'm very thankful WaterDrop came into our lives because it will provide clean, safe, and healthy drinking water for my family and I. It took less than 45 minutes to install the water system with the directions in the manual. We would go through many plastic bottled waters, and with so much going on in the world, there were times that it was really hard to find water in stores. The LED light changes colors to tell you the level of the filter. Blue means the filter is great, yellow means it's almost time to change out, and red is to change the filter. Having our own filtration system gives me a lot of peace to know we have clean and safe water whenever we need it. Another thing I really like about WaterDrop is that it works with the Water Project and launched the Water for Smile program to offer clean water to needy children in Africa. The program provides 1 day of clean water from each WaterDrop filter purchase. It's very nice to see companies give back and help others in need. I will leave the link to their website in the description box and the name of the system we have in our home. Thank you so much WaterDrop for sponsoring this video and providing families clean and safe water to drink. I use the Dawn Power Wash dish spray to clean the dishes, and it works really well to remove grease on contact. You just spray, wipe, and rinse. What's something that you guys enjoy cleaning? Let me know in the comments. For me, one of the things is doing the dishes because it brings me back to my childhood. I remember when I had to wash the dishes as a chore. I always played with the soap and water and enjoyed seeing the bubbles pile up. I recently bought these gray sponge gloves and they're supposed to clean just as good as a sponge. I like to clean delicate things like glass with these. Just add soap to the gloves and clean what you need. After I finish doing the dishes, the sink is left with stains and I go back with the Dawn Power Wash to remove any grease, then followed by rinsing. I like for my kitchen to smell good, including the drain, so I added a few drops of lemon oil and it leaves it smelling fresh and clean. This is a drying rack that you can place on top of your sink, and I really like to use this if I have a little bit of dishes to do so I don't have to take out the drying pad. I'll leave this linked below if you're interested. I recently gave my backyard patio a makeover, and if you guys haven't seen that video yet, I'll leave it linked below so you can check it out. I mentioned in that video that I wanted a bigger rug because the one that I was able to find was only a 5x7. It was just too small for this space, so I found the perfect one from Ruggable Rugs and it completed the outdoor space. I always imagined having an 8x10 size rug, and this is perfect. In my last video, I also mentioned that I needed more of these Dollar Tree white rocks to fill this planter, and this is how it turned out. The next space I'm going to be cleaning and decluttering is my dining room. I've been working on a lot of projects you'll see later on this month, and this dining room was getting to be a catch-it-all kind of place. So before it really started to get out of hand, I took everything out, put it in its right spot, wiped down the table, gave it a good vacuum, and styled the tablescape. Very simple but beautiful. This is also a new ruggable rug that I added to my entryway. It's machine washable and I love how neutral it is. My little girl loves to place all of her toys in the living room because this is a space that we hang out most often. I wanted to show you what it looks like most days and how I use this ottoman to store some of her toys. Let me know if you guys knew that this top could come off for storage purposes. I love having home decor and furniture pieces that serves more than just one purpose. I like that it looks really nice in the home, but also it's functional to hide toys or just have for extra storage. I like to use Dawn soap and warm water to take off any stains or spots on my ottoman. Just give it a good scrub and the stain will be gone. For all of my mirrors and glass, I love using Hope's Perfect Glass Cleaner because it really leaves everything without streaks and very shiny. Now I'm going to be vacuuming the living room rug to finish off this space. If you guys want to see me do a major deep clean with me video, let me know in the comments because this is when I do windows, dust, and you can see everything that I do to clean those areas. It's been a while since I styled my coffee table, which is this ottoman, so just for the video I'm going to go ahead and give you an idea on how to style your living room ottoman or table. After this video I'm going to put everything down because I do have a toddler and it can get dangerous. I bought these orchids on sale and knew they would look very pretty in the living room for summer. I'm going to let the music play and not talk so much for the rest of this video so you can see how I clean, and if you would like to, you can clean your home with me too. For the last room, I'm cleaning the guest bedroom because I have a very special guest coming that is my mother-in-law. I wanted to make the space feel very cozy, warm, and welcoming for her. Having crystal lamps and mirrored furniture can lead to having a lot of dust, so I'm going to show you how I clean the mirrors and crystal lamps. Here's how the room turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it motivated you to clean your own home. Don't forget to check out Waterdrop. I'll leave the link to their website in the description box, so make sure you check them out so you can get your own water filtration system. I'll talk to you all in my next video. Take care.